I'm Justin Klein with Coldwell Banker. Today I'm at my newest listing, 143 Walker Drive in Northampton, PA. Let's take a look inside so I can show you my favorite feature of the house. So there's a lot to love about this house, but one of my favorite features, and I've only ever seen this in TV or movies, is remote control blinds throughout the entire house. So you can just sit down, pick up your remote, and just all your blinds are now open. I did have to bring you outside real quick to show you how cool this retractable awning is. So it has one of the most state-of-the-art features I've ever heard of. These things are amazing, but if it gets really windy outside, it'll just like take it and like fly back. So what this has, if it gets windy, it automatically starts retracting back in once the wind hits. It's unbelievable. So that way it'll never break. And it's as simple as pressing a button to get shade in and out. Pretty awesome.